Installation instructions. 1. Excavate header trench to engineering plan specified depth and in accordance to the correct header design layout. Be sure to follow state and OSHA safety regulations for working in an open-cut trench. 2. Unroll 2-inch and smaller GeoHeader circuit piping in the header trench at opposite ends of the trench in a reverse return fashion. 3. If required, heat fuse 3-inch and larger straight sections together to the 2-inch and smaller circuit piping. Proper butt fusion equipment and procedures required. The straight sections are factory cut to length, so no additional measuring or cutting should be required. 4. Begin heat fusing the vertical heat exchanger pipe ends to the corresponding branches of the GeoHeader piping. Take care not to kink VHE piping at the borehole exit point while bending it into the header trench. It is recommended that bending radius of the VHE pipe should be no less than 25 times the diameter of the VHE pipe. Example, 1-inch pipe would have a minimum bending radius of 25 inches. 5. Once all the heat-fused connections are made, the entire circuit should be pressure checked for leaks before burial. Our recommendation is hydraulically pressure test each circuit with water at a minimum of 100 psi for a period of no less than 4 hours. Do not exceed more than 1.5 times the working pressure of the pipe, considering the static column pressure at the bottom of the VHE piping, and do not exceed the working pressure of the pipe for more than 8 hours. When initially charged, let the water temperature stabilize before beginning pressure testing. When initially pressurized, the HDPE pipe will relax and expand in diameter, slightly lowering the pressure. Equilibrium is typically reached in 2 to 3 hours, and the pressure stabilizes. If there is no significant pressure drop for the next 2 hours after the pressure stabilizes, the circuit should be leak-free. 6. After the circuit is successfully pressure checked, the GeoHeader piping can be backfilled. Be sure to follow engineering plan specifications pertaining to soil compaction and the utilization of warning tape and/or tracer wire. If on-site backfilling material is used, take care to ensure that no large rocks, soil clumps, or jagged material comes in contact with the circuit pipe causing damage. A 12-inch in-depth granular sand bedding encasing the circuit piping is preferred.